Do you ever feel like healthcare is a puzzle, but no one has the picture? Hi, I'm Renee from the Natural Healing Center. If you've ever been bounced between multiple providers, specialists, and appointments, and still left without a clear answer, you know how exhausting that can feel. This is what we call fragmented care. It happens when different pieces of your health are being treated separately with little coordination. One doctor focuses on hormones, another on digestion, another on your heart or labs, and no one is looking at the whole picture. So the result? You feel like you're running in circles. Every appointment is a story you have to retell, a set of labs to explain, and another specialist to convince. And it's exhausting. Now, why does this happen? Well, the healthcare system is designed for efficiency and specialization, not always for integration. Each provider is an expert in a small area, and insurance and scheduling systems reward quick visits and narrow focus. The issue is that your body is not modular. Your energy, hormones, digestion, and mental clarity all connect. Treating one symptom in isolation rarely solves the problem. Think of it like an orchestra. Each musician is talented and each instrument sounds perfect alone, but if they're not coordinated, the music falls apart. Fragmented care is like attending the orchestra as a listener, hearing one section at a time. You know something isn't right, but no one is conducting the full symphony. Now, many women describe it as feeling overwhelmed by appointments, confused by conflicting advice, tired of repeating their story, and frustrated because nothing seems to fully resolve. Well, this isn't your fault. You're doing everything right, attending visits, following instructions, but when no one sees your full story, you end up stuck. At Natural Healing Center, we approach care differently. We focus on whole person healing, which means connecting all the pieces, your symptoms, your lifestyle, stress levels, and emotional health. We listen to the story once and build a roadmap for your unique body. Now, fragmented care can also increase risks overlapping or unnecessary prescriptions, conflicting advice from different specialists, feeling isolated in managing your health. When care is integrated, your body gets a cohesive plan rather than disjointed instructions. So it's about understanding the root causes, not just managing isolated symptoms. So for example, a digestive issue might be linked to hormone imbalances, stress, or nutrient deficiencies, and a hormone imbalance may be connected to sleep, energy, and mental health. Treating each piece separately rarely addresses the underlying pattern. Many clients tell us, I've seen so many specialists and still don't feel better. I just want someone to see the full picture. Now that's exactly what we do. By taking the time to coordinate care, track patterns, and connect the dots, clients start to feel empowered rather than overwhelmed. So think of it like hiring a conductor for your orchestra. Every instrument is important, but when someone coordinates the performance, the music finally makes sense. Your body works the same way. We know it's exhausting to feel like your health is a constant project, but when care is cohesive, the process becomes manageable and the results are clearer. If you've ever felt confused, frustrated, or burned out from fragmented care, you're not alone, and you don't have to settle for just managing your symptoms. At Natural Healing Center, we provide real answers, not quick fixes, compassionate care that sees the whole person, and a clear roadmap to restore balance. Healthcare doesn't have to feel fragmented. You deserve a plan, clarity, and support, and when no one else connects the dots, we always do.